This video highlights key features of the new Capital Monitor user interface, which is now live. Some users will sign into Capital Monitor from the login page. When doing so, you can save your user ID and password by ticking Remember Me. Users who access Capital Monitor via their intranet or the Lexis Advanced Product Switcher will be taken directly to the home page. Capital Monitor's home page is set by default to this advanced search page, unless otherwise customized. You'll notice that the advanced search page is clearer and more intuitive. It has been designed to allow you to focus on the task at hand and complete it faster. A consolidated global navigation menu is now located at the top left-hand corner of the screen. The menu contains your alerts manager and other subscription parameters, such as your product pages. The menu can be expanded so you can browse through the layered submenus, enabling you to get to the right place quickly. The menu can be minimized when not in use, allowing you to focus on the task at hand and making better use of the space on the page. To minimize the global navigation menu, click on the X or on the menu tab itself. The new consolidated search menu shows all search functionality in one place, making them accessible with a single click. This allows you to access previously concealed features, such as the ability to view your search history and searches you have saved or marked as favorites. These tabs now sit alongside the tabs you use daily. The My Profile menu contains profile-specific features only. Here you can update your personal details, add email addresses, customize the view of your subscriptions, or change your password. The old Capital Monitor interface will run in parallel with the new one for several weeks. You can still access the old site by clicking here.